Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is how to make money on YouTube without making a single video. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So, if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and how to make money on YouTube without making videos. So what you're going to do is to actually find some copyright videos on YouTube, because these copyright videos do exist. Like most aren't, but what you're going to do is you're going to actually do some compilation videos. So what I mean by that is you're going to find, have you seen all those videos, like those failed videos or those videos of, good gymnasts and all these different things, like you name it, there's a compilation videos, it might be video games, it might be, anything that you can think of, like you've probably seen them online, are compilation videos. And these people that make these videos, you're going to do exactly the same. You're not actually going to film any videos. What you're going to do is you're going to go to YouTube and type in, for instance, fail video or something like that, and you're going to sort by Creative Commons. What this means is when you select Creative Commons, that means that you can use that video for whatever you want to use, whether it's commercial use or anything like that. You can use that video. It's there's no rights on that video, anybody can use it, and that's what you're going to do. So once that you found those videos, what you're going to do is you're going to actually download them. So you can use a ton of different softwares, which I won't go into, but there's a ton of different softwares out there that you can actually download from. So what you're going to do is download a video, or multiple videos I should say. And what you're going to do is take the best part, compilate them, and then re-upload them to YouTube. It's just as simple as that. So if you want to cut them up, if you're using a MacBook, you can use iMovie, because, that's the one I use. You don't need anything fancy like, Final Cut or anything like that. iMovie works perfectly well. And if you're on PC, I know there's a bunch of them out there, but I don't use a PC, so I can't really help you on that. But I can guarantee you that to cut up like videos, you can find something like, type in on Google something to do with that, and that's going to be very simple. So to recap a bit, you find a niche where you want to make compilation videos. Once you found that niche, you're going to go to YouTube, you type that in. You type, compilation video, or even if it's not compilation video, you type that whatever niche you want in there. You find the best ones, you download them, and then you do your own. You don't want to do exactly the same, because it probably won't do as well. And you really want to find a niche that's quite big, contrary to what I usually talk about when you're teaching people. You want to find a really broad niche, because what's going to work there is you want to grow your channel really big. So once you've done that and you've made a compilation video, then you re-upload it to your channel, and then you do quite a few of these, and that's just going to pick up traction like crazy, because people always want to see that if you do that in a big niche, and you're going to gain followers all the time. And then once you hit 1,000 subscribers, then you can start generating ad revenue, and you're going to generate some videos out there that have like millions of views. So if you have millions of views, there's a good chance that you're going to make quite a bit of money. Now, if you wanted to take it to the next step and you have some affiliate links in your niche, then you can link it down below and just say, well, I have this that can help you, or you know, I have this that's quite funny, or whatever your niche is. If it's something funny, link them to something funny but that's for sale. I don't care, maybe it's t-shirts or something like that, and you just sell that to those people. So you're going to combine affiliate marketing with like massive amounts of views and like, you know, quite good ad revenue because you have a lot of views. So that can make you, I've seen some people make $800,000 a month with that technique. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to make that amount of money because, you know, it does take some time still to build up, even though it's not, you know, it's still in a big niche, so it's going to grow faster than, you know, if you're doing a personal branding type of video. But that will still take a little bit of time. So you just have to post videos regularly. You know, you can do that even once a week and that would work. And you could get quite a lot of traction. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you absolutely smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.